Hey guys, welcome back. Kyle Dittman here, Bullion RV, Duluth, Minnesota, and today we are doing a Grand Design Reflection Travel Trailer. It is the 322 FKTS. If you're looking for that one level living with like fifth wheel amenities, the high ceilings, so maybe longer stays, seasonal sites, just trying to get away from all the stairs, this is the unit for you. So, like always, we'll get you on the outside, we'll get you inside, we'll show you what's going on. Starting right up front in the pass-through storage here. Really nice tall doors to fit your gear in here. You got your kind of rock guardy rubber material on the bottom, so really nice durable, putting your gear in here, so don't gotta worry about tearing that all up. You know, even little things like, you know, your crank down for if anything were to fail on you, this is the backup, because this does have auto level and power tongue jack and all that good stuff, but if it ever were to fail, you do have a backup. So this guy just kind of, you know, even has a spot to live instead of just thrown in there, tucked to the side. A lot of power in here. Solar, or the lights in here are all going to be motion detector lights, so you can either leave them on all the time if you're getting a lot of stuff out, or if you're just opening the door. Speaking of the doors, they're all held up by magnets. Look at the thickness on those doors too, so there's nice insulation for that as well. Pop those all up. And then on the inside too, there is a heat register in here, so when you turn the furnace on, you do got some heat pumping into your pass-through storage. I mean, just in this corner lot, prep for side cameras as well. So again, we sell those here at Bullion. If you want to get those attached on the unit before you take off, we can take care of that for you. Everything's all prepped on here for you. Nice thing I really like about the Reflection travel trailers is you got this fiberglass front cap, painted front cap, automotive windshield up there, so that's recessed back in there, and that does wrap around the side and kind of cover up those corner seals there for you. Also with these bigger rigs, you're going to get 30-pound propane tanks, so we're going to fill these here at Bullion for you. Top those guys off. We're going to hit you with a battery, with the battery box right back here. Power tongue jack on this guy. So, like I said, power tongue jack, auto level, all that good stuff. I don't know if you've seen on the camera, but we got this side set up on the motion light, so when you walk by, it just kind of pops on. But here's all like your convenience center, all your hookup, battery disconnects, solar disconnects, your tire link lives in here, auto level buttons all in here, and then your whole docking station. And I really like this easy diagram. I mean, even I can't get this wrong. So just kind of flip these according to what you want to do, set it up, hook up your water, winterize, dry camping, all that stuff is right here for you. Hot and cold water outside. You got your gray tank pull for the kitchen up here. Feed your hose in right through here. When you're not using it, you can kind of plug it off, but feeding that in, plugging it in, cable. Just a really nice convenience center. And then again, with these big doors being held up by magnets is awesome. The thickness of them just really hold that insulation in there. 2 slides on this unit. So you got one big slide for the living space here. The front side is on a rack and pinion. This back side is on this new slim rack. Like these new upgrades to the slim rack. Really nice storage again on the outside under the bedroom. What's nice is, you know, this is separate from the bed. So whatever you put out here is outdoor gear. It's all blocked off, so nothing's gonna be soaking into the bed. Tankless water heater. So if you got propane, you're gonna have hot water. No more of those army showers, in and out of the shower. You can be able to, you know, take a nice long hotter shower. And then your dump station for the black and gray tank for the bathroom are all going to be back here because this is a rear bath unit. On the back side here, if you're doing traveling with this rig, you can hook up like a little bike rack or a little cargo rack back here. Take some gear with you. You know, you can't tow with it, but be able to hook up something back here to take with you. Prep for the Furion backup camera up top, and again, we sell those here at Bullion, so if it's something you want to add the side camera as the backup camera, we can take care of that before you take off. Ladder up to the roof, be able to check the seals, sweep off the slide boxes before those come in, or if you do it the easy way and bring a little leaf blower and blast those off. The campside, you got this huge awning out here, a lot of great space out front. huge LED strip that runs across the whole back of the awning. What I like about that is even if that's rolled in, you could still turn that light strip on and still have that light come down. So it's not on like the bar of the awning or anything like that. As you can see, here's the big auto level foot jacks here for you. And again, I mean, just a push a button, walk away, auto level travel trailer. Can't beat that. You want to turn this into an entertainment space, you can do that with, you got your cable hookups and a power out here. So whether it's a TV, waffle maker, one of those little mini smokers or something that you want to bring with you, you can kind of create a nice little grill and an outdoor space out here for yourselves. Grand Design is a pet friendly, so they hit you with some cool things right off the bat. So they hit you with the screen defender for the pets or little kids. So that's on board there for you right away on the screen. Solid step stairs with the hydraulic lift in them. So super easy to put up and put down. Nice and lightweight. These feet are all adjustable here for you as well. And then they've even went to the new grab handle that comes all the way to the ground. So I mean, for you folks that have little mobility issues or anything like that, having the grab handle straight at the ground to start with you, coming in and down, in and out of it right away, which is great. So it's kind of the outside. So let's cruise inside. And then notice too, there's going to be a little light down here, and then that top step is a little wider. So your first step out, your last step in, have a little more of a width to that step, a little more security, which is sweet. So coming inside, kind of want you to notice again with it being a pet friendly area, no carpets on the floor, no in-floor heat grates or anything like that. Right as you walk in, you got a spot for like shoes and things under that nature. Little pet dish right down here for you. Sometimes they're in like a drawer, but this one is just a pet dish. So if you don't have pets, you could do something else, but that's on board for you right away. The space in this front kitchen is just amazing. I mean, all the counter space up here, the window to look out front, all the storage, they're all held up on their own. With the struts, they're all hidden hinges, so this makes it look really nice and clean. Be able to get at your stuff, take some totes out of your seasonings or whatever you're doing. If you're doing some cooking, don't have to hold those up while you grab them. Like I said, just spots everywhere. You could tuck a little air fryer or something in the corner here. Coffee pot in the corner. Spaces over here, crock pots. I mean, like I said, with this counter space in here, it's just unbelievable. Residential size microwave. Really nice 3-burner cooktop, heavy cast iron grates on the top of it for you. Even a decent size oven in there too. I always say, frozen pizzas. If you got the kids coming over, Stover's lasagna, dinosaur chicken nuggets. But this oven, you could actually fit stuff in there and make some good stuff. Usually they're a little smaller. Nice pull-out drawer for maybe some smaller pots and pans or, things down there for you, sheet pans. Like I said, I mean, just the storage in this unit is crazy in the counter space. Nice pull-out drawers, really smooth glides on the side. Nice wood. I mean, throw your silverware in here. Smooth slide in. Soft close in here as well. So again, just with the reflection, the next step up into the travel trailer series, you're just going to have all the amenities and feels of like a fifth wheel and get little bigger, nicer things with more residential sized fridges, ovens, stoves, things like that. So even have a spot for a pull-out garbage can right there for you, right on board. Under the sink, some storage. And I mean, look, they even threw a little bumper here, so if you're, when it hits the stove, it's not just banging and getting scraped up. I mean, like I said, just the attention to detail in these. A lot of windows in here as well, with all the blackout shades. What I like about Grand Design and these shades that they use with these pull strings, you can kind of slide these all out of the way. So, you're looking out, it seems silly, but you can just slide it to the side. It gives you a lot cleaner look out the window. And then when you want to pull them down, just slide it back in. So just small little things like that I think are great. This couch doesn't pull out into a sleeper or anything, but It does hit you with recliners on all three. So that's super cool. So it's not just the two sides. Everybody can hit it with a recliner. If it's just the two of you, you can drop this down. You're right across from the TV. Really nice space. Put some snacks, beverages. I got a little tiny power tower. It's got the USB-C, the USB on the other side. So kind of plug in your devices in here. Like I said, right across from the TV. You're not straining your neck. You're still kind of out of the way of the kitchen as well with how that's set up. So everybody can kind of still be in here, which is pretty neat. Big 16 cubic foot fridge freezer side by side. So again, with those longer stays, seasonal sites, having a bigger fridge to be able to store all your stuff in here, which is awesome. A couple things that other trailers miss is I like this little, hoodie, coats, dog leashes, just hanging a bunch of stuff right here on these hooks. Right as you walk in, they're out of the way. They're right by the door. Grab them, put them up, everything like that, which is super cool. Another little touch, you got a motion light right as you walk in. You can turn that off. Sometimes you can't turn those off and they're always going to be on, so you can always do that on or off for you, which we like that. And then another huge pantry. So I mean, if you don't have enough storage up there, this huge pantry here to kind of store a bunch of extra goods. And then this one does have that motion light in here as well. So as you can see, the LEDs on the side. So with the glass door, you can kind of see what's in there. Is pretty neat. And then you can see you got your tire link system and all that stuff right on board coming with it. A little more storage up above. Maybe that's where you tuck all the good candy bars and stuff like that for some of the shorter folks that can't get at it, hide it up there. And then in this section, you got your AC, everything's all ducted. Then you also got a max air fan up here too, with the rain sensor on top. So like they say, the story goes, if you have that open and it starts raining, that'll just automatically close for you so you don't come back to a wet camper or wet kitchen. But that thing moving a bunch of air will really kind of cool this down, especially if you start opening some windows and stuff. You might not even use your AC. In this section here, JBL sound system on board as well. So some really nice clean sounding speakers. Got a couple JBL speakers in here, and then a couple more in the bedroom too. So really nice sound system in here. All right, moving into the bedroom. Full queen size bed. Nightstands on either side. These look like some new lights that are out there. So some different lighting from these guys. Really nice headboard, and again with these hidden hinges and the doors, be able to tuck some stuff up there. And these all pass through. So it's not just like a wall in there, so be able to put some longer items or things in there. Slide some baskets around. Windows on either side. Second AC unit in the bedroom, so if your significant other or somebody else is snoring, they're loud, people are partying at the campground or something, you want to keep it a little quiet, little white noise, you can do that. Close this off and turn this into a little freeze box if you like to just cuddle up under all the blankets and run the AC into here. You can do that. You're gonna have power on either side. Just kind of notice those are tucked down on the wall a little bit. They're typically up here on the thing, but they're tucked down on the wall. So you got USB, USB-C power on both sides of the bed. Up under the bed, a couple stools down here. So again, you got that like really cool L-shaped, C-shaped kitchen over there. Putting a couple stools up there as like a little breakfast nook. Playing some cards. Just want to kind of sit and chat. Again, this is a camper like this is more for those longer stays, not just heading out Friday after work, coming back Sunday. Maybe, like I said, extra spot at the cabin, seasonal site, use this. So really creating a nice space in there for you. A nice little desk space. I mean, you can put a TV here, kind of set this up however you want, but nice little catch-all. More power, more USB, just really everywhere in here. So set this up how you'd like. Really nice hanging clothes closet on either side of it. Put pull-out drawers. So we always kind of joke about when you get these smaller ones, you get the hers and hers. Maybe in something like this with enough space, people might share. Who knows? When I'm going camping, it's the swim trunks, hoodie, bug spray, jeans, and sweatpants. That's all I really bring. And just kind of rotate through the day. Sliding pocket doors on here as well, so it's not opening in and out of anything. So it's a really nice sliding pocket door. Tuck it in there. You don't have to worry about hitting anybody. I mean, the size of this bathroom back here is just crazy. So it really, again, with that extra, you know, with those extra long stays, dual sinks back here. I mean, the storage back here is just crazy. All the towels, all the goods. Spot to put a good sized garbage can. Typically, those are just small little guys, but good spot under there. Pull out drawers, you know, again, if there's multiple people out, you can have, you know, they each get their own thing. You got more motion lights down in the bathroom as well. So turning that on and being able to come into the bathroom and not have to turn on all the lights, that's going to be really nice. Porcelain toilet in here. Lot of cabinets. And again, these are solid wood cabinets, soft closed doors, just really nice. I know if you haven't been in a Grand Design or even the Reflection Series travel trailer, try to get inside of one. Like I said, just feeling the quality of the build is just kind of really there. In this unit, we'll see if we can get this open. More hanging shelves, more motion lights. You can take this shelving out because this is prepped for like a washer dryer combo. So if you wanted to put that in there, you can install that into here with all the hookups. Otherwise, just a lot more hanging clothes. You can take this guy out, customize this however you want. Really nice pull-out drawers. So if you do turn this into a washer dryer, putting all, you know, the soaps, detergents, dryer sheets, all that right there for you. This unit's winterized, so usually I get in the showers, but I'm not going to want to track all that antifreeze everywhere. So one piece, solid surround, really nice shower head. You got the light up in here to give you that extra light over there, over your head, you know, really lighten it up. Sometimes they put that skylight over there, but I do like the light, you know, in case you're showering at night and that skylight is now really unusable. But you can see all the shelving in here. They got the seat in here. Really nice sliding glass door. So, I mean, just a really good space in that shower as well for everybody. Yeah, let's see. That's kind of the video. But like I said, I love this kitchen, this entertainment space coming right in. So much going on out here. It's just a great camper. So, again, my name is Kyle Dittman. We're here at Bullion RV. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it. Helps you guys out to get all the videos to you. Helps us out with our channel too. So all my contact information will be on there. So shoot me a text, shoot me a call, whatever works best for you. Love to help you out. Love to get you out camping. This is available right now. It is the 6th of December. So depending on when you're watching it, reach out to me. Give me a holler. Let me know what I can do for you. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.